No, I cannot wait till Christmas. I want to open it.
Now!
Dun, dun, dun. Oh! Get some of that perfume. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. We are going to be doing an unboxing of one of my favorite advent calendars, 12 Days of Beauty from Ulta Beauty. I got this from Target. It has a $133 value. I paid about $55 for this. It's got 5-star reviews, so I'm really excited to open up each door and see what's behind. It also tells you what's in it on the back, but I have not looked at it because I want to be surprised. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy together. I'm so excited. Number 1. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so we have a 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. So starting off, so far so good, because I actually love the brand Benefit. Budge-proof brows. Ooh, let's see. Hey, it's actually a pretty good size. Oh, awesome. So it's like a gel that keeps your eyebrows in place. Okay, I actually wanted to get one of these, so this is perfect. Number 2. It's really fun to unbox. It's like a present behind each door. I'm such a kid. Okay, we have a Kate Spade New York. This is a sample perfume. All right, so just a sample perfume. That's cool. Oh, it smells like daisies. That one's really good. That's a good like stocking stuffer for somebody. Number 3. Oh, okay, we have like a medium-sized product here. Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Probiotics and Superfoods. Oh, it's a moisturizer. Okay, I'm actually really happy with this. Pretty heavy, so I'm really excited about this one because my skin gets so dry in the winter, so this is perfect. Why can't I find number 4? Am I blind? I'm freaking blind. There's no 4. There's no 4. There's no 4. I'm officially, oh my God, it's right there. Boom. Seems like maybe a lipstick or something. What do we have here? Grand Lash Enhancing Serum. Okay, I'm actually stoked about this because I'm trying to grow my eyelashes longer and I love serums, and you can also use this on your eyebrows too. So that is perfect. Number 5. Ooh, no way. Okay, this is worth like the whole advent calendar in itself. This is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Oh my gosh, I love her lip glosses. I literally have one right here. It's the one I'm wearing right now in Fussy. Oh my gosh, I got another lip gloss. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. It's like bigger than a sample size. Like one of these costs like 40 bucks. So the fact that I got this entire calendar for 55 bucks and all this stuff already is pretty incredible. So I love that. That is perfect. Number 6. Ooh, Christmas came early. We have a Morphe Mini Continuous Prep and Set Mist. I love setting my makeup so that it lasts all day, especially if it's snowing and the wet snow gets all over my face, ruining my makeup. So this is actually perfect. Apply it before and after makeup application. See? Oh yeah. And it even smells so fresh, like cucumbers. Okay, I'm really happy with this. That is a pretty good size. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the big size. That's what I love about these advent calendars, is that they are giving you like bigger than samples of these products, so that if you try them out and you really like them, you can buy the full thing. Number 7. Open. Another goodie. I'm so excited. Oh, this calendar is amazing. Okay. This is the Lip Injection by Too Faced Lip Plump. Oh my goodness, this is great. This makes you look like you have lip injections. I am so excited to use this extra strength, instant and long-term lip plumper. Yes, please. A cute little size too. Oh, I love it. Number 8 is this giant one in the middle, so I'm really excited to see what it is. Oh, I'm like, where is it? Okay, you get 2 samples in this one. You have a Clinique Happy perfume again, sample size perfume. And then we also have a Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. That's good. I like Clinique products. I always get dry skin in cold winter months, so I'll take as much skin cream as I possibly can. All right, number 9 looks pretty tiny, but we'll see if it's promising. Sometimes the best things come in small packages. And it's a perfume. I'm not really a big perfume lover. Okay, we have Ariana Grande Mod Vanilla. All right, let's try it. Oh, wow. Okay, I actually really like that perfume. That is really good. Number 10. Okay. Okay, we have a Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. That's perfect. I'm always running out of primer, so love that. I think I've tried this before and it was really good. Number 11, this big bad boy up here. Okay, we have a Mario Badescu skincare. Okay, I'm really excited about this. His skincare is really good. Vitamin C serum. Okay, I love this. I will definitely be adding this to my skincare routine morning and night. I like tinted some of that perfume. Ugh. And lastly, we have day number 12. Did they save the best for last? We shall see. Dun, dun, dun. Oh! I actually have the full-size version of this mascara. This is the best mascara. This is MAC Stack mascara. This is a really good quality mascara, so I am absolutely thrilled. I got an extra one of these. I love this mascara. It just makes your eyelashes go va-va-voom. Wow. Okay, Ulta Beauty, you guys definitely crushed it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. I am so pleased with this advent calendar from Ulta Beauty. I didn't see one thing in here that I won't be using. I am so impressed by the name brands in this advent calendar. This is by far the best advent calendar that I have ever opened. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon right here so you can stay up to date on my latest videos and releases. Hit that subscribe and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.